Hi, so what do I have here? This is from other video. So this is an external DVD CD drive. I think it is also a Blu-ray drive. So in these days you don't really use them a lot, but if you have some old DVDs, CDs or disc with data, so you might need something like this. So this is Riodas. Never heard of this company, but it doesn't really matter. What matters is that it will do its job and work. No need for any other advice from this unit. So nice indeed, because there is a built-in cable, so you will not forget the cable. So this is something a very good plus. Now I can remove the sticker, and what is written, it's a DVD RRW. I think it's also a Blu-ray, I'm not sure really, but I don't have a Blu-ray to test it, so it doesn't really matter to me. But I'm now trying to find a USB connection, and I found one. This is, by the way, USB 3. By the color, the color is a blue. That means that you don't need any extra power in order to make it work. So I just press the in out, and it looks like it is working. I don't have right now a CD or DVD to test, but I guess that it's no big deal, and probably this is working. You know what, I will try to find a CD or DVD with data to see that my computer recognizes, so hold tight. So I actually did find a bunch of CDs and DVDs somewhere in my house. So let's try first the CD to see that it is reading it properly. So you just will have to believe me, because I am not going to put it on the camera, but I will check it to make sure that I got a working system. So okay, you can hear the CD. It is rotating very fast, and yes, I have all my files. It does work with this kind of CD, and I have something that is more problematic, because this is a DVD RW. So DVD RW, when they are old, so the data may work and may not, because it is melting the data and then rewriting it. So I'm not sure about the condition of this one. I'm almost sure that this is an DVD RW. So let's make sure that this also works. And I have also a small CD later to check. And this again, this is rotating now. There is sounds from it, and the LED is flashing. You can see the LED on my finger, and yes, it does work. And I can see my files here. Yes, this is working pretty well and nice. So next thing is to try the very small CD, you know, the CD that comes with hardware drives. So let's see if the driver in this one is reading okay. I'm not sure what is this driver for, yes, but it is also working. This is some IP camera driver, and yes, it is also working. So overall, this Riodas company, which I never heard of, is doing electronics that actually works. So you can buy it. It is pretty cheap, this device. I think it was less than $50, maybe $30 or something like this. And this model is BT638 if you want to buy exactly the same unit. Pretty good. I'm just not sure about the Blu-ray. I'm not sure if it does support the Blu-ray, and I don't have any other ISO manual. No, this is not its manual. There is no manual for this one. On the box, nothing is written except that it's work under Windows 7, 8, 10 XP, 2003, Vista, and also Unix and Mac and OS systems. And it's USB 3 up to 5 gigabit per second, plug and play, no need for drivers, and that's all. So I'm not really sure about the Blu-ray, and again I don't really matter about the Blu-ray because I don't have a Blu-ray disc. I don't know if anyone uses it these days for data, maybe for some Sony PlayStation or something like this, but no need. So that's all. Hope you enjoy. Thank you and bye.